Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are basically traveling to Wales, to a holiday park for the first time, and I'm so excited. My anticipatory skills are very high right now. My antenna is like this. I actually want to see what the experience is like. It's been a while since I traveled, at least throughout last year, throughout 2024. I didn't go anywhere because I just had a baby and I was just at home. So 2025, we decided to go out, and it's to a holiday park. As we're having babies now, you need to start experiencing what places like that is all about, so that the kids, when they grow up, they can be going to holiday parks. All right, so this is gonna be the first experience, and obviously I love traveling, but you see, parking, I hate the parking aspect. It's so stressful. That's why I'm like stressed a bit. But yeah, we're ready. Almost ready. And we'll soon be going. What? What are you doing? Baby, come. I don't know how to do it. That's a fridge. Fridge freezer. What is yeah. Okay, you know what? Let's just pour that. And then I'll come back to the other place. So this is like a kitchen with all the cupboards and everything. Yes. And this is like a sitting room. Can you see? And that's like a small dining table, right? Hi, darling. It's like a small dining table and dressing mirror and the television. Oh, this is good. And I was worried if there'll be heating. I was actually really worried if there'll be heating in the place. But seeing this, I think I'm a bit okay. Alright, and we have like where we can cook, but I don't know if they have pots. Baby, there's cooking utensils. Can you imagine? I was going to say, how come we have this? Are we going to even have pots? Oh my goodness, there are pots. There's like everything, guys. Excitement won't wound me. That's a bean. Okay. Well, that's about it. I was also thinking about hot water for baby. Whether they will have everything, but they do. They do. Ding, ding. Oh, that's the toilet. That's the toilet. And the shower room. How does that open? Not bad. Of course, you can hang our coats and everything here. Oh my god, baby. What a bedroom. Why would they separate husband and wife like this? But what's the meaning of this? So you're going to sleep on separate bed and I sleep on no baby, we'll sleep on the same bed. Come, let's measure. Jesus.
Let me go and freeze that.
This is good. Continuing, there's another room here. So literally, they even gave us like two rooms, not just two separate beds, but 2 rooms. So I can decide to go to the other one and sleep.
And that's how you have to book. During the booking, you have lots of things there. People that can come in.
Oh, I foresee. Oh my God. I foresee. Oh, how do they want to separate husband and wife? This is good now. Now they are talking.
We have to do.
Why is my baby crying? My baby, we have changed accommodation. No, we're in another place now. We have changed accommodation, my love. How do you find the new living where we are going to practically be living?
It's amazing,
for 5 days? Practically be living here for 5 days, and I think it's comfy enough. It's comfortable. I love it, guys. I love it, guys. I love it. Kiss my Where do you want to go? What's your plan? You want them to come and send us back to to England today? Yeah, so guys, we'll be having some activities today, and one of the activity is golf. It's gonna be my first time. It's gonna be my first time playing golf. I don't even know if pregnant woman is allowed to play golf, but I'm going to take it easy, whatever it is, and obviously we'll see about that. I hear say golf na rich man game. It's too much noise. I hear say golf na rich man game, so if I play golf today, when I know I don't make am. Oh my God. Yeah, so we're gonna be playing golf today, and I think my husband wants to do like shooting adventure. Is it shooting? I don't know what it's called, but arch and archery, bow and arrow. He wants to do that today. He said he's an expert. That he was born a hunter. So we'll see about that, to see if he is truly an expert or he just a make math. For me, it's the golf. Golf is the highlight of the day for me. We're going to be swimming as well, and then in the evening we'll go for evening activity. Guys, I didn't tell you what happened yesterday. Oh my God. So yesterday was the arrival, and then we went for in the evening, went to where they're doing evening activities, and there was this thing that is called bingo. I think it's like gamble, but I don't think it's gamble, to be honest. But it was fun. So we did this thing called bingo. We bought the card, and there are numbers written on the card. So as they are calling the numbers, you will be marking it on your book.
Holiday. Rule number 2. Players must be 18 or over to play or mark a bingo ticket.
If you get whatever they want you to get, maybe the number in a row or the number in a box or whatever, then you scream, bingo. That's how you win, okay? So I don't know if I'm explaining it very well, but we did that thing yesterday and we didn't win anything. When we came back, my husband said that he now understands the game. He knows how it works. But we're going to do it again today. I'm like, say, you know, the spirit of gambling don't enter you like this. You paid money, you played something, you didn't win. You want to go and do it again today. But yeah, it was fun. Last night was really fun. Today is gonna be even lots more fun. Hopefully, the weather is already given, so it should be fun. It should be fun. I'm just doing a very quick makeup because, like I said, I don't want us to be late for this my golf thing. I'm ready. What's the time?
11:43.
Let's go. Because we don't even know the location, do we? Do you know the location?
For what are we doing again? Golf. Who asked them?
Then we need to get going. You're not going to say how I look or anything.
You look gorgeous.
Because
You look stunningly
I reminded
beautiful.
you. Please leave me alone.
Baby now.
So guys, this is the final look of my makeup.
Aww.
I'm not showing you. I'm showing people who are interested to see this beauty.
Very cute.
I'll pick this one.
Tiger Woods.
You're gonna watch me do this.
You're asking a novice. Describe it now. Let me see. Put it down, let's see. Something like that. But your leg, once you come forward, like this, stand very well. And then you hit. And then when you are hitting, you twist with it. But you know the length, so don't do too much. Is that one?
No,
One. Two coming back. No, you can't stop it now. Two. Yeah. No.
that's 3, right?
3. 4. Yeah, no matter. 5. It's coming back. 5. 6. Yes.
You guys, everybody should be calling me Chioma the hunter right now. Chioma the archer. I actually enjoyed that section so much, and I did well. Maybe didn't I do well?
You tried a little bit.
I tried a little bit, Ke.
Now you almost gave up, but then now it's the same.
Yeah, it was really fun, and there is still sun. And to think this is like almost 4 p.m. and there is sun in the UK. I'm excited for this weather. Yeah, in March. Oh. What's this sauce like? I mean, the sauce, have you opened it?
It's just tikala.
What is tikala?
Masala. Tikka.
Tikka masala. Let me see inside it. Have you tasted it? Not bad, yeah.
Not bad. Looks nice.
Is there anything you don't eat? Let me see how mine is.
That's the fun of going places.
Chena, how good be this?
Clue is some paint. Fantastic. Oh, we're not sure. Grown-ups, I think you might be getting a message.
Hi guys, so it is the day 3 and we're just coming back from one kind of children activity like that. It was fun to watch for adults, but we actually booked it for the baby. Although he didn't get to participate that much, he was just crying up and down, as you can see from the video. Now we're just preparing to go for a boat cruise in Cardiff. So I'm just preparing baby's food and stuff. I already have what do you call it, Cerelac and milk and all of that in there. Still preparing extra just in case. Going to be going with some water, hot water flask, and I think that's about it, to be honest. How about you?
Yeah. Doing very well.
You don't chop belly food. Keep plate. Let me even take that plate in. It's really been a lovely time. Yeah. So guys, yeah, it's very, very sunny. Like, the weather is the best thing about this vacation, to be honest. And when we were booking this, we didn't actually consider the weather, but it just, you know, it happened. We only considered our boat annually, like when it will be together, like when I have annual leave and when he has annual leave. And but I'm happy. I'll be changing my dress, of course. See you guys soon.
Let's fly high. Let's reach the sky.
You need to pay another bride price, you know, right?
Which bride price?
You need to pay another bride price. Because what is this beauty?
The wedding time is beautiful as this when you were Goju now. It is when you change your name to Adeyeri, see beauty now.
Don't allow my daddy to hear what you just said
Would
right
you
now.
stop it? It's obvious now. See Adeyeri now.
My makeup game is going up.
They should come and pay me for taking good care of you. You know, see something. See how the beauty is coming out. Well, I knew it was hidden before, but even when you are angry, yeah, no, wait, don't smile yet, still be angry.
In the summer breeze, I feel your touch. 風に乗った君の声が
So guys, we're all ready to go for the boat cruise, and as usual, this is my husband. We'll sit down when I'm preparing. He will sit down like nothing is happening. Before you know it, like this, he won't even be telling me the time. Before you know it, all I'm hearing is oh yeah, we are running out of time. So yeah guys, this is my look for the boat cruise. I hope you like it. I have a cap. I don't know if I should put on the cap because the sun is sunning. I don't know if I should put on the cap or just take it out. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section, but I'm just going to go with the car just in case. See you guys. So guys, we've just parked somewhere and we're now headed to the meetup point for the boat cruise. Yeah, I'll just carry you along as I go.
where there is a range of hot and cold drinks, as well as snacks such as crisps and chocolate bars, and this is now open. For those of you on socials, you can tag yourselves at Cardiff Cruises, and if you
So apparently I'm not going to wear the face cap because it's not an open boat. I was thinking maybe it's an open boat. Hi Zion.
Hi Zion.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fake bitch. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell.
$59. One and eight, $18. 2 on its own, number 2.
I said I wanted a baby that would be running around.
You like? This has to be the best meal I've eaten here.
Really?
So your palms face outwards, your thumbs towards the floor. Cross your arms over, lock your fingers together, and give your thumbs a wiggle. Just your thumbs, sir. This is the second time you're getting on my nerves. Thank you. Make sure it's nice and level with your nose. Nice and level with
Hi
your nose.
guys, this is day 5 and we are going. We're getting ready to go, sadly. Bye bye to the beautiful caravan accommodation and the holiday park. So what I'm going to do today, I think we're going to be having breakfast, right? Yeah, so we're going for breakfast and just come along. I noticed that maybe I've not showed you around the place, so I'll probably do that today. And we'll go to the beach, and then from there, so bye bye. Come on. Now headed to the restaurant because what is a vacation without English breakfast? So this is where the kids come to play, do their messy things. I think it would be great for children, 2 years and above, or maybe 3 years is the best, because they'll do everything. They also teach children to swim here. These are the restaurant areas. We've eaten here at the tandoori kitchen. They can cook. Sorry, the swimming pool goes that way. Which we were there yesterday. So we've eaten here at the tandoori kitchen. But that's not where we're going today. This is games, everything about games. Sometimes they have a show here for kids. This is a bar. And this is where we're going. These people can cook, Sha. They can cook. I know it doesn't look all fancy outside, but it's called, is it the Boat House? Yeah. The Boat House bar and restaurant. They're really good, and that's what we're doing again today. Overall, I give this place a 10 over 10, guys. If you have kids, I feel like there's no point, booking the fancy holidays, hotels. Is a waste of time and a waste of money. This place has everything that a child will need to enjoy their holiday, like play areas, everything is around you, and there are lots of families that came around, and it's been fun. I kid you not. And did I say that our caravan was 3 bedrooms, like 3 compartments? You know that, right? So guys, I mean, if you're thinking holiday with your children, please do a holiday park. It's amazing. I give it a 10 over 10. All right. And some people will think there's no need for your family to step out of their comfort zone. I tell you, it is refreshing. It is okay. You will feel different. You will feel it's a time together with family. Okay. I subscribe to Booking Holidays. Tell me what you think in the comment section. And thank you guys for coming with us so far. Hit the like button already if you haven't, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you later. Bye.